Hi there, this is another review of the crypto trading software called Bitsgap. And in this video, I'm just gonna go over a little one simple strategy that I use to basically um, multiply my bots over the time. So whatever you started with, if it was just one bot or two bots or three bots, or for example, four bots like me, or it's actually five, but this one, first one is ETH BTC hodl bot. So uh, that that's long-term investment hodl bot. But these four are my income bots because they generate revenue through the USDT Tether dollar. And basically, here's the percentage what you get daily. You daily get like 0.29, 0.43, 0.6, 0.6%. Sometimes it goes over 1%. I wasn't that lucky with my initial bots because they were basically random bots that I used. I didn't do any research whatsoever. I had some Dogecoin, some Phantom coins, some Engine coins, and some Stacks coins, and I basically used them to verify or test this Bitsgap bot trading strategy. So here we are, about 46 days in uh, since the first bot. And as I said, I didn't do them in one same day because it hasn't been recommended really to do that because you will get the same or similar pattern with all of them, which is kind of like could be a bit frustrating, or like it's a kind of a psychological fact that if one coin goes down, all of them will go down, and you don't want to really see that. So if you start them in a different times, they're gonna have different patterns slightly. But anyway, here we are, 46 days in, Stacks coin, 22% profit. So not so bad, right? $700 profit, 46 days. Engine coin, 18% profit, almost $900, 890. Phantom coin, 16.3% profit, almost $400 there within 43 days. And Dogecoin is 10% profit, a little bit over 10% profit, $426. It's not so bad, right? Like I mean, nobody will give you 10% a year, not saying 10% a month. So this is really kind of different strategy, different approach than I expected, and I kind of like it, but I have to experiment with it a little bit longer. But here's the deal: you have these four bots, and whatever you make the income, you can use towards to start your next bot, right? So if I have generated $2,500, I can use those $2,500 to start another bot, which is basically like a snowball effect, avalanche effect, right? That with five bots, you will generate more income. So in shorter amount of time, you can afford to start another bot and so forth and so on. So I believe that this is a good strategy. And how do I know which one bot to start, right? Okay, so here we have some like 3 days, 1 week, or 1 month prediction, which kind of gives us the rough idea which coins generate profit and which don't. It's the Bitscap's own um, prediction service or offer. It's not 100% accurate. It's just to give you the rough idea of what happened with coins in the past. So what I usually do, I go over to the demo section of the Bitsgap, right? You have a demo here that you can use to basically verify and test the different coin pairs and stuff. They give you the like play money and you can just play around with it. So you just throw in the bunch of coins that you think you might be interested in, and you use the same amount for each, right? So you know basically which one is generally what. So if you have a different amount, you buy one for 2,000, one for 5,000. There's going to be very big difference in like in the numbers here, in the percentage, and in how much it's make. Obviously, if more money you will put in the coin, more it will make. So I recommend to put the same amounts. That's why I put $3,000 for each. And here I can see which one. After a few days, I can see which coin might be a good fit and which may not, right? So as I can see, 1 day, 2 hours, that's a little bit early. I would wait another 1 or 2 days at least. But I can see so far it generated 1.32% in daily profit, right? It was in one day. It's not so bad, but one day doesn't give you enough of accurate data, right? Could be the spike in one day and then next week, nothing almost, right? So that's why we want to wait more days. But here I can see this one, right? This coin. Uh, that's that's a pretty nice number, right? It's 3 days and 2 hours. I already get some kind of a data after 3 days, and I can see it's 3%. It's $273, right? In bloody day, almost $300. That's almost $100 a day. So this coin definitely would be the good fit, and I may consider this one for my next bot. Actually, I will wait one more day, and then I will go probably with this coin, because as I can see, it's the highest number, highest average daily profit out of all here. So yeah, that's guys, that's the strategy I use to get a new bot to reinvest. I wouldn't recommend to reinvest everything unless you have the income from something else and money coming from somewhere else. I would always recommend to reinvest like around 50%. Maybe if you're a little bit like um, a little bit like more risky kind of person, I would reinvest like 75%, but usually not around 50. So thanks very much for watching. I hope this helps. I hope this gives you some good idea of what Bitsgap software can do for you with your crypto trading. And yeah, talk to you later with another video. Thanks very much. And subscribe, like this video. And if you're interested in the Bitsgap software, underneath of this video is the link where you can grab 7-day pro trial for Bitsgap, right? You get a unlimited uh, version of the Bitsgap software pro trial, and you can test it for yourself and see if it's for you. You can use just the demo bots to play around with it. You don't have to use the real money. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and talk later.